I guarantee you do not know this about your washing machine. So, doing my little renovation here, I'm still doing things, yep, that's me still doing things. I'm getting ready to move the washing machine a couple feet. So I disconnected the hoses, and I saw this sticking out of that. That's a filter, and it's clogged up. So if you ever wonder why your clothes aren't getting as clean as they should or something, it's because it's starving for water. That is a filter. And I just cleaned it. Well, somewhat. It looked clean before this. Let's see what the other side looks like. So I just got done a shop vacuum the other end of the hose. Now we can unscrew this one and see if it has one of those filters in there as well. And wouldn't you know it, right there, another filter. That one doesn't look as bad, does it? Which side is that? That's the cold side. Hot water was bad. Cold water's not. Not nearly as bad. Well, there you go. Filters in your clothes washing machine for the water inlet.